Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Chrome the default web browser on your Windows 11 computer. This is very easy to do. Let's go on down to the Windows Start button and select this. Now go to Settings. Now under Settings, let's go to Applications under this list. Then go on over to where it says Default Apps. Now select this. Then go to Set Default for Applications. Go to Search for Apps and type in Chrome. Here's Google Chrome. Let's go to it. Then go to Make Google Chrome your default browser and go to Set Default. All these different file types or links should switch over to Google Chrome, except for some of them. That will remain Microsoft Edge. I believe you can click this and still switch it over to Chrome if you want. Set default. So some of them will switch over and others you have to do it manually. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.